Hey everybody, today we'll be exploring constructive and destructive interference, which is an important concept in physics. Firstly, interference is a phenomenon in physics where two waves combine by adding the displacement together at every single point in space and time to form a resultant wave of either greater, lower, or the same amplitude. Constructive interference occurs when two waves collide and combine, but destructive interference happens when two waves collide and cancel out. This means for constructive interference, the resultant wave is bigger than the two interfering waves. However, before constructive interference can occur, the two waves must travel to the same medium. Also, the properties of the waves must be the same, such as the waves must have similar amplitude and wavelength for interference to happen. On the other hand, for destructive interference, it occurs when the crests and troughs of two interfering waves meet and their amplitudes cancel out. This situation is different from constructive interference because it creates a flat line instead of a larger wave. Let's now apply our knowledge learnt on this topic to a practice example. So, the practice example we have here is, referring to the illustration below, outline whether it represents constructive or destructive interference. And this is the illustration right here. Firstly, we can see the crests and troughs exactly meet for the two interfering waves shown in red and blue. So you can see, for example, the crest up here and the trough down here, exactly meeting each other. Thus, we get a resultant wave of a flat line shown in purple, so right about here, right here on the axis, that's the flat line in purple. And it's much lower in amplitude, basically cancels out the amplitude, therefore we get that instead of a larger wave. As a result, this illustration models destructive interference, which is the answer. I hope this video on constructive and destructive interference was useful in building your understanding on this topic. Thanks for watching, see you later.